trying to make me take pictures of him. I'm like, dude, we already look like a couple. This is not worth. I'm like, this is not worth it for me.
That's like me and Dave in New York. We were sitting there. It's like, take a picture. They're going, look.
Well, then we end up in a game ball.
Yeah.
Guys, you know, Holt's like, boy, folks really are friendly. I'm like, yeah, it's because we're in a game ball.
They're going. They're looking around like,
You sure are friendly.
I'm like, man, they got some really fruity drinks. They're good.
For some reason, I fall into that trap.
Oh yeah.
Way more often than I'd like to admit to. What are you gonna do?
Nothing.
Plugs up the old glasses.
Yeah.
Say hi.
Is that the first time you turned on the AC?
No, it's been on before, but the drains are up there. It's got a
Watch out for the tricky spot.
rail that goes around.
Hey, I'm doing good. What's going on, Maxine? What's your name again? Leah. Leah. She's from Star Wars.
They've been talking about. Hi. Oh, that's on camera.
If you do certain things, I can't put it on YouTube, see?
I was just minding my own business.
That was just wrong. Wrong.
That's just wrong.
Alright, now take a picture of me.
Yeah.
That's a camera.
I don't have what Maggie has. Sorry, don't got
You
it.
sure?
I'm positive.